Hello, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to clean your oven racks. To clean your oven racks you're going to need baking soda, white vinegar, rubber gloves and a cloth or scouring pad. First we're going to start with taking out the oven racks and set them aside. Be sure to remove any items in the oven that also need a good cleaning. Now the best way to clean our oven racks is to give them a soak in hot water for at least 2 hours. Now if you have a big enough sink, great. If not, then the bathtub is going to be our next best option. Lay an old towel in the bottom of the bathtub. Place the oven racks on top. Filling the bath up with water till the racks are fully covered. Add 2 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of baking soda and leave for the minimum of 2 hours. Before we see how the racks are doing in the second half of this video, if you're someone who dreads cleaning your oven, then I recommend you go for oven liners. These can be placed at the base of your oven, catching all those spills and splashes from food. Now with a scouring pad, give a quick scrub. It should take little effort here, as the grease should easily come away. You can also use a bit of dish soap if needed. Once done, give them a rinse. Then dry them off before returning them back to the oven. Try this out and you'll be surprised as to how little you needed to do in order to get your oven racks cleaned.